Friends, I am Father Susayan, the director of the Paloti Jyoti Nivas, Girdolim, speaking to you. Grace and peace of our Lord Jesus Christ be with you listening. If I am asked to give a little message to this world gripped in coronavirus, I would say the oft repeated old saying, this also will pass away. Yes, this also will pass away. Soon, if not very soon, we will see a day that we have a virus vaccine in space and medicines in hand and coronavirus defeated. So, don't panic. Don't allow yourself to be overcome with fear. This virus is not all that deadly. Till yesterday, the percentage of the death caused by this virus internationally is only 4.5% of the affected people. In India, it's 2.5. People who are mentally and physically healthy don't have to be afraid of this virus. Moreover, we are created in the image and likeness of God, and we are not to be conquered, or we are not to become slaves of viruses like corona, but we must have the power from God to enslave this virus and defeat it. So, don't panic. Don't be overcome by fear. Of course, it is a truth that the world is being affected by the pandemic coronavirus. It is spreading. At least 50,000 new patients being affected per day in the world. Europe is the epicenter of the virus today. The American authorities are in panic as to how to go about protecting the people. I don't care what others say. I go on enjoying my life. This is the attitude that has caused the spread of this deadly virus. Obey. Obey the authorities is the only way to control the spread of this virus. Lockdown is the order given to us. Keep away at home. Distance socially from one another and avoid physical contact with one another. This would be the best to stop the virus spread and to avoid the virus to catch us. One may think that the church is silently watching and the Pope occasionally praying for the people of the world. There is a department of charity directly supervised by our Holy Father Pope in Vatican, and the leader of this department is Polish cardinal. There are two homeless people and a Muslim woman keep making sandwiches for the hungry people. There are 20 poor workers to distribute this to the affected people. But the cardinal doesn't allow these poor workers to go around because they may be affected. These days, the cardinal is seen driving hundreds of miles, reaching out food to the lockdown affected convents, to the home for the senior citizens named after Saint John the 23rd, and to the many people, many beggars sitting around the pathways. He also collects food from restaurants and keeps distributing. Have a charitable heart. When we go around purchasing for our home needs, don't purchase to an extent that you hold things at home. There are also other people in want. Let them also have the facility and availability to purchase what they want. Migrant workers being affected is a major problem that our mother India is facing, and here also in Goa we are facing. There are volunteers locally searching out these people and making food available to them. If possible, reach out to them. But hand washing with the soaps and using mask are good precautions. As a religious priest, if you ask me a message, I would say Christ, when was at the point of death, he left two gifts to us, precious. One is his mother, another one is the Eucharist. Mother Mary is not up in heaven. She is in the midst of us, actively at work. Reach out to her, hold on to her, and pray. She will surely come to our rescue. Praying rosary is the best thing that we can do. Eucharist. Eucharist is the expression of the precious blood that flowed from the side of Jesus. That blood destroyed the evil effect of the sin caused by devil. And we hold on to the Sacred Heart of Jesus and ask him, pray to him that healing power from his precious blood flowed when he was on the cross dead, flow into the world, heal the affected people, protect the people around, and destroy the virus from the face of the earth. So, to conclude, I say, don't panic. Obey, especially obey the rule of lockdown, and be charitable. Use precautions like hand washing and using masks, and don't hoard. Let us collaborate with the people of the world and fight against the deadly coronavirus and defeat it and destroy it. Thank you.